Hello everyone, this is Ayush Dagania and today I am going to solve a very basic problem related to coding. So let's get started. And the problem name is ATM. So what is the problem statement? It is written as Pooja would like to withdraw X US dollar from an ATM. The cash machine will only accept the transaction if X is a multiple of 5. It means X is kind of 515. It means X is basically divisible by 5, and Pooja's account has enough cash to perform the withdrawal transaction, and for each successful withdrawal the bank charges zero point 0.5 US dollar. Okay, and so we have to calculate the Pooja's account balance after an attempt transaction. Okay, now we see the input, and it is given that a positive integer x, which is basically the amount of cash which Pooja wants to withdraw, and a non-negative integer, a non-negative number, not integer, which is Pooja's initial account balance. And in output we have to calculate the remaining balance, and if there is not enough money in the account, then we have to just output the current bank balance. So if we see the examples, in first example it is given that the amount she wants to withdraw is 30 and initial bank balance is 120. So if we subtract 30 from 120, it becomes $90 and 0.5 as a bank charge. So finally it becomes 89.50. And in another example we see that she wants to withdraw amount 42, but 42 is not divisible by 5, so we just return the current bank balance. And in another one she wants 300 rupees, and in her bank it is not enough money, so again we show the current balance. So from here you can submit it. So let's code it. Okay, so first we have to take an integer x and a float decimal number y. Okay, then so let's take it as input, %d for x and %f for y. So address of x comma address of y. So the condition was given here that x is a multiple of 5. It was the first condition, that x is a multiple of 5. So we will check it like x %5 equal 0. Means if when we divide x with 5, it gives a remainder 0. And the another condition is that the amount should be less than, that means the amount she wants from the bank is less than his current balance. We also add here the charge so that it is a complete transaction, it is less than the amount she withdraw. So let's define a float REMA, remaining balance, which is just y, means current balance minus the amount she wants to withdraw minus bank charge. Alright, and we have to print it just like %0.2f, and this is why I add 0.2, because the output wants answer with a 2 digit of precision. So 0.2 will make it with 2 digit, and we have to output remaining. Alright, and else we have to just print the current balance as given here. In case it doesn't able to withdraw, we have to output the current bank balance. So 0.2 f again, and this time it is y. So we can also check here by custom inputs. So first we take the inputs 30 and 120. Alright, so let's run it. Okay, so it is given an output 89.50 as we want. Let's take another example, 42. Okay, 42, as we see 42 is not divisible by 5, so again we want the current balance. So it is the current balance, and the last test case also we want to run. So if you want to run, then change the 42 by the 300 and let's see. Alright, in this output is 120 this, so yes, we get it. Now let's submit it and check are we doing right or not. Okay, it is running. Let's wait for 1 minute. Alright, so this is a very basic question and you can find it in the practice session of Codechef. It is still running. So we did it, we solved it, it is the correct answer. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all understand the logic and the implementation, and if you have still a doubt, comment it down. I will feel very happy to answer it. So okay guys, happy coding. Thank you.